So here we are on day 3 at the Missa Summer School for the Arts, and today we moved up to a bigger painting. We started out this morning doing a study of our painting before we moved up to something larger. And of course we scraped our painting excess off and continued making some small pieces as well. So we have a round painting as well here, one student did. Lots more studies. Another one of the 12 little paintings. Another bigger piece here. Start over here. First layers on, and first layers on this one as well. Study, scraper painting, and a red painting to start on fresh tomorrow. Stay tuned for day 4.